Hello dancers, welcome to tutorial for Can't Hold Us by Macklemore and Ryan Lewis. Let's get started. Nice and easy to start, we just have this little taps. Just tapping side to side, that's as the music builds. We're gonna see this move a little bit later in the song, but I'm gonna show you at the beginning. It just goes up, down, up, down. So arms just circling the shoulders, circling down. Later we're gonna take them all the way up and all the way down. For the beginning, we're just gonna go right here, up and center, shoulder and hip. Tap, 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 tap to get right into. We're traveling to the right first. We have a single, single, double. We've seen this kind of move before. We're gonna go just the legs. Single, single, double right, single, single, double left. Now the arms are gonna be just in fists here and strong. And we're just gonna go front, cross, double. Add a little shoulder and a little double side. First four on the floor. Second four, we're gonna take a little bit of energy up. So we start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Really leaning into it. Ta, ta, ta. Lean, lean, double. Then we have four more. We're gonna do a little jump together. Jump together. Double jump, 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 double jump. So jump is in the single, single, and the second of the double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To get as high and as far as you like. Let's do that first part towards the front. Warm-up music. Tap, 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 tap. We have this little shoulder, hip, shoulder, hip. Then we begin. Right, left, double right. This is just the beginning of the song. We're getting into the groove of the music. Down, down, double, down, down, down. Four more times. We're gonna add some hops. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, jump, 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 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section, we have this little heel, heel, heel hold with the clap. So we start right heel. We go right, left, right, and clap. Left, right, left, and clap. Now the arms are gonna be right here in fists, and we're just gonna pump them right here. We're gonna actually feel the biceps working and triceps. Arms are nice and strong there. So right foot, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's four more of those, just like that. We're going to take it nice and low and start working the legs. Then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stay low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see that face in the front. Right foot. 1, 2, 3, pop, 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 pop. Quick, quick, quick. Hold, quick, quick. Four more. Take it low, low, low. Low, 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 2, and 1. All right, part 3 of our 4-part verse. We just finished our pumps with our claps. Then we go back into our move from the very beginning. Tap and tap. So it goes just shoulders first. 1, 2, hips, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we reach up and down. Up and down, really stretching the arms. Feel that stretch in the chest right here. And down, and. Now those arms are just circle. I'm gonna show you to the side. They circle up, circle down. Circle up, circle down. Let's get part facing the front. We just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. Up to shoulders and hips. Shoulders and hips. Pa, pa, pa. Now we reach it to the sky, up and low. Circle up and low. Tap, 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 and. And part 4 of our verse is a little side-to-side walk with a strong arm. So we're going to walk to the right. 1, 2, 3. We're going to jump together. We're going to bring the right arm across, and we're going to hook it there, like a hook punch. Pa. We go left, left, 2, 3. Jump. And we're gonna hook it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can travel as far as you like, but make sure you get back the other direction. Let's see that part, facing the front. We just finished 5, 6, 7, right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ta, ta. 4 more to each side, pa, pa. 5, 6, 7, 8, chorus. Chorus is nice and simple. Simple V step, just with the legs. We start right foot. Front, left, back, back. So front out, back center, back center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And arms are just natural with the body. Just side to side, kind of like you're running. Lots of intensity. Ta, 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 ta. Then we go back into our little step tap, rock tap, I mean. Arms are gonna come up, across, across, up and up. Nice and simple. So the arms just keep going, and you tap side to side, ta, 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 and right foot. So here's the chorus facing the front. Right foot leads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4. Here comes that rock. Arms go up. And they continue here. Ta, ta, 1, 2, 3, 4. It repeats V step. Same leg, right side. Ta, ta. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back into the verse or the breakdown. Then, like every song, we have a little bit of breakdown moments. We're gonna take this little single, double. We've seen this before. We're gonna bring the hands behind the back, and we're just gonna rock to the right. Right, left, travel right. Left, right, travel left. Again, no arms. Ta, ta, ta. 1, travel back. Then we're gonna add some arms for the same amount of time. We go cross, cross. Open, cross, cross, open. So it goes across the body, swing it around, across the body, swing it around. So we start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. Pa, pa, up and over. Pa, pa, up and over. Let's see that face to the front. Coming out of our chorus. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4. Arms up and tap. Pa, pa, pa. 5, 6. Break down, start slow. Nice and easy, catch your breath. Tap, tap. Again, tap, tap. One more, and then we're gonna add some arms. Starting left arm across. It goes cross, cross, swing around. Right arm goes cross, cross, swing around. Left arm, left, right, around, and right, left, around. Then we go into call and response singing in class. We start going to the right first. Right arm punches the way we're going. Left arm's working, and we're tapping that right leg. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we take it around. Oh, all my people said other side. Na, 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 na. Oh. One more time. Na, 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 na. Around 6, 7. Last one. Na, 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 na. Na, na, These step to go chorus. So I'll show the last 2 of the 4 for the breakdown into our final chorus one more time facing the front. We go. We just came. Ta, ta, around. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Round 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Around. Ta. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Around. Last one, pump, ta, 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 5, 6, chorus to go right, ta, ta, ta. One more, arms up and reach, Energy out with the tap. Tap, tap. Last one, really dig in. 3, 2, and 1. Reach them up. Final time. Get those hands up. 5, 6, 7, and 8. That is all the choreography for Macklemore and Ryan Lewis. Let's dance it.